some kind of pullback today. Kunal, do you think we'll have a pullback?
So pullback could be there, Sajid, but the biggest disparity right now is that the premiums is at a 140 point or a 200 point premium. We closed at 23,500 on the spot. The futures is at 23,740. Now after a 200, so and the day prior we had a premium of just 80-90 points. So that 100 point extra is because of the disparity in terms of premium for the index futures. My sense is that maybe I think we would probably just about try to correct this disparity today for good part of the trading session. Many of the stocks have shown or exhibited a very similar kind of a divergence in terms of premiums on futures versus the spot level. So I would sense today could be more like an adjustment day for the markets in terms of this divergence or disparity.
Okay.
Maybe fewer stocks on the auto pack individually, like Tata Motors PV has done reasonably well. Eicher Motors starts to look a little bit more better than what was maybe a week or two back. You've seen Bajaj Auto, I think, broadly holding on to the 10,000 mark. So there are fewer stocks which are still at a positive end of the auto stocks, which are looking attractive. Some of them have just recently given a breakout of their 200 moving averages. Case in point, Tata Motors PV. So I think those are the only few names which I'd be bullish on. Not a sector call as such, because when we do, when we did a relative strength study across various sectors, autos still is one of the few sectors which is amongst the bottom 3, bottom 5 sectors in terms of relative price performance. So maybe I think that aspect, we might expect the move to be a little bit muted on the auto pack at large, but just very concentrated towards few stocks which are technically very strong.
And what are those names, Kunal?
As I just highlighted, it's Bajaj Auto, which is looking one of the stronger charts in the two-wheeler pack. You've seen Eicher Motors, which has emerged a breakout. Just I think about few days back, posted the numbers or the event for the stock price. Tata Motors PV has crossed about those 200 moving averages, 350, 360 as a huge resistance point. These are the three names which are looking strong.
Perfect. Excellent. So resistance at 360 on Tata Motors. Despite the rally, you continue to buy. All right. Kunal, your picks for this morning in particular. What's the stock bias looking like? Clearly not auto, but I mean, a few names there, but what's the real stock bias?
So yeah, so I think it's a good time for traders to look at or concentrate on stock-specific moves. Bharat Forge is something which starts to look attractive at the current juncture. It's been holding on pretty well after the recent breakout about 1800, 1850 mark. 1950 approximately is where the stock is trading right now. So we'd look at a target of 2010 for Bharat Forge, stop loss to be kept at 1920. The second would be about Pidilite Industries. After quite some time, the stock is trying to make a comeback. Even on Friday, the stock survived the kind of a big correction which we've seen for across the board stocks, trading closer to 1475, 1480 levels. Would look at a near-term target of 1525, stop loss to be kept at 1455.
Okay.